Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Maker Crate, and it's heavy, guys. So I'm really excited to open this. And if you are new to my channel, I created this channel to do unboxings, which is what we're doing today, to give you curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button. And let's get into this crate. Okay, this month's crate is in a small box. It's been a long time since we got a small box, but I guess if they can fit it into a small one, they send a small one. But it's hammered metal mobiles. Mobiles is such a weird word for me. I'm like, I want to say mobile. I don't know. Mobiles. How do you say it? Let me know. It says hammer patterns into metal, then take your textured shapes to new heights by arranging a mobile. It's gonna be so hard for me to say that the whole video, but hopefully you understand. And this box is so heavy, so heavy. And then when we open it up, this looks pretty cool. So that's kind of just a first glimpse at what we're going to be doing. And we have our little insert here that has our instructions here, or it's also in this idea book as well, right over here. So this gives a lot of really great ideas. And then in here, we have all these, this looks like I'm gonna make earrings, but it's not earrings, but that's what it looks like. So it has all these like little metal pieces, some wires over here, and then some, I don't know, these are just the teeny little rings like you'd see connected on an earring. But I do like how they give gold and silver. So if you have a preference, or, you know, they do all the mixed metals right here, which looks very cool. And then glasses, I guess. They're more glasses than goggles. And just to protect our eyeballs, we want to, I can't talk, all my words are like being slurred together. But we want to protect our eyeballs, that's for sure. So you could wear those if you don't really like the fit of them. I like to wear my sunglasses if I'm like outside working on something. And then we have this stand that it goes on that I think you put a little piece of metal in it, which is right here, so it twists in. This is has all the threads on it to twist into the wooden stand. And again, they have two different colors there. And then this is what's heavy. So we have a hammer right here. It says a texturing hammer. So this part is all bumpy. This is hefty, guys. This is really good stuff. And then this has a little point on it. And then we have tweezers. We have pliers, and this says bench block. I don't know what a bench block is, but I'm not gonna try to open it right now because we have to, you know, clip all of the plastic and stuff on here, all the zip ties. So this is what is super heavy in this crate. I'm excited to try this out. I don't think I've really done anything like this, like texturing metal and things like that. So this is gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm just really excited to try it. So I'm gonna get at it, and I will let you know how it goes. So I finished doing the Maker Crate this month, and it was probably one of the fastest Maker Crates I've ever had, which is sometimes really nice. Some of the projects take a lot longer time, or there's drying time, drying time, or there's like you're embroidering something, you know, sewing something, so it takes a lot longer. This one was so quick. I probably finished it in like 45 minutes, and the videos for it are really short as well. So it was nice this month because I just didn't have a whole lot of time to do a bigger project. So let me show you it. It's right here, it's kind of jingly, but here we go. And so this is my mobile, and I am not super great at creating my own like idea. I'm a lot better at copying somebody else's idea. So that's what I did. Let me set that down for a second. So in here, so there's this picture on the front. They have also several different varieties on the video, but here it has, you could just do one level. I mean, I guess this is a single hanging thing. Level one level, I don't know what I'm saying. So this is one level, this is 2 levels or 3 levels of wire. So I just copied one of those. I'm eating my hair over here. And that's what I made, because trying to make my like own thing, I'm just not super great at that. And I honestly just didn't want to spend the time trying to make sure it was all balanced. So I copied one of theirs. I did kind of just hammer it in my own design. I didn't follow theirs exactly. This one, I don't know how well you can see these, is kind of a ombre. I guess, I don't know if that's what you call it in metal art, but it's a lot thicker at the top with the little dots, and then there's none at the bottom. Okay, so it kind of is a gradient, I guess, a gradient type of a thing. And it was all fairly easy to do. I laid this all out beforehand, kind of how I wanted to do it, or how the pattern showed that they had. And then they suggest you could draw a picture of it so that you know where all your pieces are supposed to go. Or you could take a picture, which I did take a picture, but I ended up not using it. I just laid these all out on a piece of paper, and I just took one at a time when I was hammering them, and then I put them right back in their spot. So then I didn't have to try to remember where they were or anything like that. It was very, very easy to tell. So that's what I did. And then after you hammer them, which I'll talk about in a minute, you just put the little rings on, which was super easy and fast. They give you pliers. Ooh, it's jiggling everywhere. So they give you pliers, and I did use them. Some. There was some things I didn't use them on. But you actually wouldn't have to, because these rings are soft enough metal that you can just open them with your fingers. So you could do that as well. And then you just pick the stand you want. So I went with the silver here. I don't know if I'll leave it silver. And then they also have a gold one that's right here. And you just screw it in. It has the little threads at the bottom. And it's really simple. So you could also hang this up. It suggests you could take a string and tie it at the very top. You could hang it from the ceiling or something like that to have a different decoration, or if you wanted to make 2. So since I chose a 3-tier one, I use a ton of this stuff. Let me show you. So there's only a few pieces of the metal left, just because I made a bigger design. So if you chose a smaller design, you would have enough to make 2, and you don't have a stand for the second one, but you could hang it up some way with string. So that's another option. So as you can see, there's several. I didn't use any of the silver rings or the silver little tier things. I don't know what those are called. So I didn't use any of those. And then the hammering, it suggests going outside or doing it somewhere where it's not gonna bother anybody with the noise. And it is loud, but it's not super, super loud. So I just did it inside at my table, and it was fine. But this thing is heavy, guys. It's metal on the top, but then it's a little soft on the bottom to kind of cushion the blow. So you just take your hammer, you can decide what you want to do, and then you can hit it. So if you don't want to disturb anybody, then you might want to take it outside, get some vitamin D, right? Yes, vitamin D outside, enjoy some sunshine, and sit outside and hammer these. That could be a lot of fun. Also, my 4-year-old was the only one with me the day I was doing this, and she even tried it. It was really funny to watch her try, and I had her put on the goggles so that she could protect her eyes, and it was really funny and really cute. So it was a fun project. I have to decide where I'm gonna put this. Maybe I'll just display it somewhere in the homeschool room. I'm not really sure. But I enjoyed doing it. It was something different, and it was something quick, which again is sometimes just really nice. So if you enjoy seeing these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.